Again, I'll be speaker one, you be speaker two.
Okay,
Hey, Brenda, how was your weekend?
it was great. Thanks. Did you do much on the weekend?
I just relaxed with my family. I read some of my favorite books too.
That's lovely. What book did you read?
I've just finished reading The Kite Runner. Have you heard of it?
I have, but I haven't read it. I've heard it's a great book.
It's amazing. What are your plans for the weekend, for next weekend?
I'm visiting an university with my parents.
Oh, nice. Which university are you going to apply for?
I'm not sure yet. I'm just looking around at the moment. Do you have any in mind?
I'm thinking of going to the University of Manchester. I've heard great things about it.
You'll have to move out of London then, right?
That's right. I'm going to rent a house with some friends.
Great idea. I don't want to move out of my family home. I get homesick.
I understand. Maybe you can find a university nearby.
That's what that's what I'll do. Oh, it's lunch break. I catch you later.
Good.